Hey, for today's 2-minute tech tip, I'm going to show you Google Drive File Stream. File Stream is just a really cool way to access, edit, organize your files in your Google Drive. So let's get started. Okay, so once you've downloaded Google Drive File Stream and put it on your computer, it's going to show up right here under your devices and drives, just kind of like your server file shows up or your C drive. So it's just right here for you. Now, if I double click it and open it up, it's going to show me my drive and then any shared drives you're part of. So I'm going to just go ahead and open up my drive. And here I'm going to see all my folders in my Google Drive. And as I scroll down further, I'm going to see all of my different files that aren't in folders. So what I can do here, anything I want to look at from here, I can just double click. And if it's a Google Doc, that's just going to open up the actual Google Doc and it's ready for me to work on. Another cool thing is if I want to put anything into my Google Drive from my computer, I can just grab it from my computer wherever it is and drag it into my Google Drive. And now it's there. And that can be any file. That can be a Word doc, that can be a PowerPoint, that can be a picture or a video and things like that. The last thing I need to show you is how to get Google Drive File Stream onto your computer. If I go down to my little search bar here and just type in soft, it's going to show me the Software Center. I'm going to open up the Software Center. And I'm going to search for Google Drive. And it's going to be right here, Google Drive File Stream. I've already installed it, but you can go ahead and click install. After you've done that, you'll need to log in to your PSD Google account, and then it'll show up on your computer, and you'll have access to all your Google files and folders right from your PC. Good luck.